Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to save one-time photo on WhatsApp. So guys, if you're using iPhone or Android phone and you want to try to save one-time photo, I will help you how to do this. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, you need to go back, open your settings, make sure that you have connected with a strong internet connection, and after this go back. So guys, now you need to open your app store if you're using iPhone, and if you are Android user, then you need to open Play Store in your phone, and here you need to search WhatsApp. After searching it, open WhatsApp here, and you need to check for update. If your app is not updated, then you need to update your app first, and after doing update you need to go back. So guys, now you need to open your WhatsApp here, and guys you need to open that one-time photo. And guys, after opening it, simply you need to take screenshot on your iPhone or on your Android phone, and your one-time photo will be saved. And guys, if this method is not working for you, then there is no way to save your one-time photo. The one method is that you need to download any mode WhatsApp, and you can easily save your one-time photo, but that is illegal to install in your phone. So there is no way to save your one-time photo in your iPhone or in your Android phone without mode APK. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.